Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can make a significant difference in the performance of your 3D printer, the BX-308 3D Printer Lubricating Oil. We found this product online and have added the link in the description, so you can easily check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BX-308? This is a high-performance 30 ml precision lubricant specifically designed for the ball and linear bearings in 3D printers, particularly those used in the XY axis components. If you've noticed any grinding sounds or rough movements in your printer, this lubricant could be the solution you've been looking for. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the BX-308. First and foremost, it ensures smooth motion while significantly reducing wear on your printer's components. This is crucial because smooth operation leads to better print quality and longer life for your machine. The oil is made from pure synthetic materials combined with specialized additives that enhance adhesion. This means the lubricant stays where it's needed, maintaining performance even under changing temperatures, whether high or low. Another important aspect is its protective properties. The BX-308 not only lubricates but also offers anti-oxidation, anti-corrosion, and anti-wear benefits. It even boasts excellent waterproof performance, which can be a lifesaver in environments where moisture could be an issue. Plus, with low volatility, you can trust that this lubricant will last, giving you peace of mind and extended service life for your printer components. Now, who is this product suitable for? The BX-308 is ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. If you're a 3D printing enthusiast, you know how important maintenance is to keep your machine running smoothly. This product is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance the longevity and performance of their 3D printers. It's also great for those who frequently use their printers for intricate projects, where precision is key. In terms of practical use cases, you'll want to apply this lubricant to clean spindle surfaces, ensuring that you're using small quantities for optimal results. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or troubleshooting issues, this oil can help restore the smooth operation of your printer, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing prints. In conclusion, the BX-308 3D printer